Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be turning this Lamborghini Gallardo lookalike into a all-out drift car. What happened was I forgot to press record, and the whole time this was not even recording. All I've done is just shortened, cut out the front and the back for the exhaust and the top. That's all. I will be making a hand-made engine, painted white, and that's it. Hopefully I can be done today. It's a nice look-alike, just some details missing, vents, but all in all it's good. I'm gonna use these tires. Wondering why I'm gonna use these tires? It's pretty cool tires. I actually kind of like it. Obviously my friend said that it doesn't look right. Drift, I'm gonna make all out drift Lambo. This will be steering by itself, so that's what I'm gonna just prepare for the time being. So I'm just gonna take this normal paper clip and just bend it to what I need it to be, but it needs to be proper so the car will actually move. Sizing it is it's not actually hard, pretty easy. So this is what I came up with so far. I just need to see, maybe make it a bit bigger or what. Yeah, actually the spacing seems okay. I just need to cut this wheel in probably half. This wheel is so hard to actually cut. I just need to measure quickly where. Okay. Oops. This is actually these pretty cool wheels. Maybe I'll make it black. Partially, I think, maybe. Okay, this is not fitting in. I just need to see, the spacing does seem okay. Yeah, I think I'll go with this. So I'll be back when I figure this all out. So far I've came up with this tedious job, but it makes it work. It's a bit frustrating, but it'll get there. This is what I came up with. This is the whole setup. It takes forever, but well, I mean, there's still things to do, obviously, before it's finalized into the car. This is what I've came up with so far. Clearance is gonna most probably be an issue, but if I just line this as a markup and show y'all, it's decent. Turning radius for now, because there's a lot of markups still to be done. I wonder, I'm still thinking what to this color, maybe black and white. I'm thinking black and white most definitely. For this Lambo, probably just gonna leave the front like that. Add bars, roll cage, obviously. Engine wise, not quite sure. Probably something that's over 1000 horsepower. The color, actually, I really like this color. Obviously, it's green. It's my favorite color. Maybe just add the details to it. Black carbon fiber. I mean, that's a nice big wing from the back, from underneath. Gonna be cool, since this will be going crazy. Yeah, it's actually quite decent for what it is. Just need details a lot, but it's decent. casting. So far, this is the cage I'm going for. We're gonna patch some of this floor up. It's pretty cold today. I have no idea what's about the weather today. The reason why I decided to use such a car is because I want the engine to be quite decent. And since the Lamborghini was probably just out and gonna be used for parts, I thought, make it something to the car. So far, looking decent. I mean, these wheels, I really like these wheels though. A lot of people just like, they suck, but these wheels are actually kind of cool. So far, I've added the supercharger with the Lamborghini Murcielago engine. So for now it's in a stick. I actually want to put a magnet so you can move it and change engines. This will probably be the ultimate drift car for the track I'm making soon. So far, this is what I've done. I've taken the engine out, TwinTurbo, their black supercharger. So I'm gonna have all different engines to this drift car. For now, that's how it looks like. This is how the Lambo looks like for now. It's coming on good. This is what I've came up with so far. V12, supercharged and twin turbocharged. Let me show you. That's it for today. I'll continue tomorrow. Here it is. Gallardo drift car. I'm on a quest to find the perfect drift car. Where's my engine? Hey. The base is still, it's not attached. I'll drop the body a bit. Looking decent though. It rolls perfectly. This is where I will stop. This is for, I'm gonna continue with this in a short time. And let me not forget to actually tell you all about the giveaway. I almost forgot about the giveaway. It's been quite some time. I had actually my friend tell me the back looks like Murcielago. And I'm like, nah, can't be. So the steering wheel, no dash because all out drift car. And what I've actually done is, as I said, I stuck a big magnet, just a piece of metal. So I have this with other engines, so this can be a engine swapped drift car. Obviously it's stuck perfect, I'll have to still make a perfect drift car. So let me just quickly tell you all about the giveaway. For the giveaway, I am going to give away this set. How you can win the set is like and comment on this, on my upcoming videos as well as this video. Link will be in description for my Instagram. Tag me in the post. What's your favorite car? and I will choose one lucky person to win this giveaway pack. This is just one of the giveaways. I will be giving away more. This is my first time doing a giveaway, so let's see how that goes. I'm just going to talk about this quickly. My steering, I've tried a different approach. I mean, it's a bit complicated, but I will get this video to 100 likes and I will do a tutorial on how to do this easy steering for any vehicle, as well as engines. I will be doing tutorials on engines, so please get this video to 100 likes. This is so far, I mean, I know this is higher than this side. If you put on a surface that is completely flat, you will actually see that. So far, this is the body. I like the green. I'm going to keep the green. I just needed to melt away some in the front over here. Add a splitter. And no sides, no nothing. Back is fine, everything. I'm going to put a window here, a window there. Obviously, I think I might put a window all around. I'm not quite sure. Just fix up the roll cage. The roll cage looks okay. So this will be a swap, engine swap drift car. This for more for my upcoming garage. I'm gonna make a garage, all mini 164 appliances, lifts, all that stuff. Tutorials will be as well with the full build, shorts as well. So yeah, this is it. A bit tricky because the body is not on, so I just want to find a body that, you know, you can screw on and do something to it. All out drift car. I mean, this is a reality. I mean, okay, this is actually hitting a bird. Move the body. Yeah. So there you go. Lamborghini Gallardo drift car. Maybe this just might be my ultimate drift car. I have no idea. For drift track. Here's the turbos. I thought I would do something different than having it to the engine. This is my black supercharger. I still have to put a belt on. Looking okay, just need more detailing. This is my 4 exhausts, so I'm gonna have to make that proper. But other than that, it looks like it's a done beast. And with this, I think I do want to have the dashboard, so there will be a switch to switch on the turbos, or just leave the supercharger running the whole time to have the natural sound, like in the real FD cars, which I love FD cars. So maybe make a whole collection of weird FD cars. So just remember the giveaway. Link will be in description for Instagram. Link. Comment, like on this video. Get this video to 100 likes so I can do tutorials for the steering and for the engines, as well as any picture that's your favorite car. Let me know, tag me in and let me know what's your favorite car, and you might just win a giveaway. This giveaway, the big builders, I mean, I like this. Yeah, this is pretty cool. It's a gnarly little thing. So that's it for today.